Hello students, I am Hope Gore, your tutor, and welcome to your mobile phone video editing class. So throughout this class, we are going to be covering everything from the basics to pro level, all that you need to know about video editing on your mobile phone. So you know what, go and grab your note, grab a pen, or better still, grab a mug and enjoy because you can watch it all over and all over again. So let's get right into it. We are going to be covering these topics. We're going to start from the beginning, from the apps for various phones, iOS, Android, how you can, import footage, trim, transition, sound, light, equipment, and, a few other tips. So let's just get right into it because I am excited to pass on the knowledge that I have to every one of you. For the purpose of this class, we are going to be using the app CapCut because the features on CapCut is amazing, and to consider that it is actually free and you can save your videos without watermark, it is just the perfect editing app for us to focus on today. So don't worry, any phone you can download CapCut is the same version on every phone. So let's get right into it. So for the purpose of this class, there is going to be a lot of screen recording because I want you to see everything that is going on my phone, and I'm recording on my phone, I'm editing on my phone, and I'm going to upload on my phone. So this is a mobile phone beginner friendly course. So everything we're doing for this class is on our mobile phone. This is just to encourage you that you can start that content creation journey with just your mobile phone. Our number one topic for our course is introduction to the app, its interface, and everything that you need to know about this editing app slash software. So we are going to be going through the app, looking at basic features. We're not going to dive into the features yet. We're just going to be looking at the interface of the app to see what it looks like, so you can familiarize yourself with everything on it.
You can find the CapCut app either on Play Store or Apple Store. So once you've downloaded it, this is what it should look like. So this is what my account looks like. We're going to click on that button, and this is what we have: the Help Center, Manage Account History, and your CapCut ID. The settings. Under settings, you find feedback, term and policy, all of that. Basically what this is. So now moving further, we're going to expand to see what we have. First, we have the photo editor. So basically this is also a photo editing app. You can edit pictures and edit videos as well. So for the photo editing, these are the features that it has. You can resize your image, add text, change the shape, add stickers. You can add photos, you can adjust, you can add filters, you can change the background, basically just like an actual photo editing app. You can add text to your image. So now AutoCut, basically, if you have a video that you want to edit and you don't want to stress yourself, you can just put multiple clips and it is going to automatically edit it for you. So it is more like a pre-created template already, and then you get to choose the one that you want from the app's option. So you upload as many videos as possible, pictures, whatever you want, and it's going to give you different options to choose from. So now see this one. Just pictures that I've selected, they've edited it for me, and I can add the sound of my choice. I can choose the templates that suits me. Yes. So that's for AutoCut. So for the purpose of this class, we are going to be focusing on the free features on this app because honestly speaking, even though my account is premium, I can tell you for a fact that the free version is just as better and there is really no need to premium your account. So looking through, we have other features like camera, retouch, auto captions, teleprompter, remove background, image enhancement. We will be looking at that when we open the app fully. So now we are going to tap on new project and select a video so we can move on into the app interface itself. So now I have selected a video. You're going to tap on add. So when you add your video, this is what the app looks like when it is time to edit. So these are all the features at the bottom. We are going to be looking at each and every one of them, and I will be telling you shortly what each and every one of them does or do, whichever. So starting with the edit button, we have split to split your videos, we have speed. You can do the normal speed to increase speed or to reduce the speed for slow-mo, and you can smoothen your slow-mo. You can use curve. Curve is to change the frequency of the video. So if you want it to go slower at some parts or faster at some parts, this graph right here, you increase it to the top if you want it to go faster, and you bring it to the bottom if you want it to go slower. So you know those videos where there's a part where somebody is going faster and all of a sudden they slow down. This is what the curve in the speed button is for, and you can change the montage. Moving on, we have animations. So basically animations is how you enhance the video. So maybe in the beginning you want it to start with like a blur. You can have a blur animation. See how this one starts dark. There's so many options to choose from. If you want the image to come in like it's bouncing into the frame, you can choose that. You can choose the combo effect, so meaning it is going to choose both going out and coming in for you. So if you want it to come in like a pendulum, or if you want it to come in like it's in multiple frames, you have different options to choose on this app. Basically, animation is just to enhance the video to make it look more professional, if you get what I'm saying. So it's not just a plain video. So moving on to style. For style, we have the velocity. You can do AI, you can do any one of your choice. My network is pretty slow today. I don't know, for some reason I'm having a class today and Airtel decides to slow me down, but these are the options under style. You have velocity. There are some styles that you cannot apply to a video, so you choose the one that is available to your video. I'm sure you've seen this velocity on TikTok a lot of times when it is looking like a blurry motion, like somebody is feeling dizzy in their video. Like I said, my network is actually really terrible today, but I hope I am passing a message across. So for style, you can choose any style of your choice. You can see the difference it makes in these videos. In some parts, it is going really slow and it is fast at some point, and it has like this dark effect. So you can choose any style of your choice. You can turn your pictures into AI on CapCut, yes, and this is the free version. If it was the premium version, you will see Pro on it, and this is the free version. So we have particles, all those videos that you would see somebody looking like they are disappearing. It is all under the style feature. So you can choose any style of your choice. Moving on, we have the delete. To delete, we have the enhance voice. To enhance voice, you can increase the pitch, reduce the pitch of your voice. We have voice isolation to make it sound like you're in the toilet. Camera effects to follow, movement in your videos. You can choose if you want the camera to track the face, body, hand, or you custom create it. So you can see that on this app, there are so many options for you to take advantage of. Moving on, we have volume. You can increase the volume of your video or reduce it. And then that loudness adjustment is to apply the same level of volume to others. Now for transformation, you can do a crop video, you can mirror the video, you can rotate the video any way you want, and you can resize to any size of your choice. So moving on, we have auto frame. Now auto frame is to choose for the app. So if I want to take this my video and make it into a YouTube video standard, I will just auto frame it into a YouTube video. Now for basic is to move the video left or right or top to bottom, or reduce and increase the frame without having to pinch with my hands or zoom it in. So this is more precise than pinching with your hands. Moving on, we have the remove background effect. You can remove your background automatically. If you shot on a plain background, you can remove your background with this feature and add any other background of your choice. And they have options of custom backgrounds that you can add, and you can also decide to manually cut the background out yourself. Now for overlay is for you to be able to add images or videos on top of the video that you already have. So if you have a video already playing or a picture already in CapCut, you can add another one. So if you want to make it look like you're doing a reaction video, this is what the overlay is for. So you can pinch that image to align with wherever position you want it to be in your video. You can keyframe it to keep it in wherever position you want it to be. So moving on, we have filters. So under filters, we have a couple of options there for us to choose from. So you can go through to choose the filter of your choice. Sorry, my network is delaying, but it will come up shortly. Okay, here it is. So you have different options to choose from. We have the adjust, to increase the brightness, to reduce your brightness, to reduce the contrast. We're going to look at all of these things when we come back into the video fully. So now you can increase video quality, but these are pro version. Now we have the button of retouch. So retouch, you can smoothen your skin, you can change your skin tone, enhance your skin tone, you can brighten your face, whiten your teeth, you can reshape your face. This is basically like the Facetune but for the video version. So you can do so many things on this app. You have the option to even add makeup to your face if you didn't have makeup before. You can even retouch your body. If you have anything that you don't like on your body, you can retouch it as well. If you think your tummy is too big, you can reduce your waist, you can reduce your head size if you think your head is too big. Yes, so that is basically what the retouch button is for. Now moving on to mask. With masks, it's more like, let me just use the term appearing and disappearing. Max is like appearing and disappearing. So you can set something to start appearing and it will disappear into another thing. So when we go deep into the video, you would understand how to do max. So we have duplicate basically to duplicate the videos, obviously. Now moving on, we have replace. If you want to replace a footage, you tap on that footage and then you click on replace and include the footage that you want to replace the old footage with. So we have extract audio, to extract audio from your video and maybe add it to another part of the video. We have the add sound. You can add sound from your TikTok. They also have amazing music options. You can also add sound effects like the whoosh sound, magic reveals, mouse clicking, and all of that. You can also add voiceover and you can also extract audios from already videos in your camera roll. I hope you're following and I have not lost anybody at this point. So now we are going to look at effects. So we have different video effects. So now video effects is the effect that is going to take place on the video itself. So if you want a flickering, it's going to flicker throughout that video. We have so many options under video effects, body effect as well. Now ratio is just to transform the videos into whatever platform you want to post it on. So we have stickers. If you want to add like the subscribe button to your video, they are amazing stickers. If you want to add like an arrow to show what you're doing, there are stickers for that. You can add text. You can do like the auto caption. Now the auto caption is for the caption to follow your mouth as you speak. We have text templates where you can choose already created templates for you. And now we have background. So when you've removed your background or when you reduce your background, you can change the background to whatever color of your choice. So you can increase it and maybe make it blur. You can reduce it and put whatever color of your choice. You can even add an image instead. So basically this is what all the features on CapCut looks like. I think I've covered everything. So you can click that button to watch in full frame. This is where the keyframe is, and we have the button to go back and to undo and redo here basically. And now this is where you find resolutions. So this is basically what the app is like. So I hope I'm able to get you familiar with the app, so when we start editing for real, you are not lost. So thank you for watching today and see you in our next class. Bye.